Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have definitely been pushing down, but I'm really not convinced the move up is over yet, mostly because we didn't bounce at a Fibonacci level. We also don't have a break of structure to the downside yet, or a significant lower high. So I am looking at this move down as likely just a pullback to this last move up. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. I was hoping that this was the end of a crescent yesterday already because it definitely looks like possibly three down. It looks like the very, very corrective up, like it's a wave B, so a wave A, a wave B. This definitely looks like a possible. It actually looks like 333, so it's not even an ABC. It's probably more likely a WXY, but it definitely bounced from the 50% last night really well, made a nice push up. We need to see a break of structure. If it breaks this structure, then I think it confirms that it's back into the uptrend. If it doesn't break that structure, there is a possibility that it pushes down to a lower Fibonacci level. But as long as it doesn't break that daily time frame swing, which is way down here, we do still want to look at this whole move down as possibly just a pullback to the last move up. But like I said, we need to see a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level to confirm that this ABC or WXY pullback is complete. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.